Agent hopping scenarios that you need to know about. The home buying process will be a much smoother if you hire an agent who you trust to work alongside with rather than randomly contacting agents via signs, real estate websites, or open houses that you pop by. There are 3 ways you could be agent hopping and not even knowing it. Hi guys, it's me again, Annette Marble with Key Realty. If you happen to be checking out houses online in your free time and come across a house that didn't come through your home search that was emailed to you, call your agent, ask them to find out more information on this home and or if it's still available. What you need to know, there are likely an agent listed next to that home online that isn't necessarily the listing agent of that home, but rather someone who is paying to have their contact information pop up there. You just went into a farmer's market on a Saturday morning. You have your fresh cup of coffee in your hand, driving with the windows down, and pass by an open house sign. You put your blinker on, you follow the signs, and you find that home that is for sale. There's an agent holding that open house for the day, and you introduce yourself and you start talking. What you need to know, they aren't necessarily the listing agent for that house. If they are, they're representing the seller. So make sure you let them know that you're already working with an agent. If they offer to send you other listings or show you a home, give them your agent's business card. If you have it in hand, and thank them for the information that they have shared. If you're interested in that house, walk away and call your agent immediately. They will know what to do. If you get a postcard in the mail, oh my gosh, this is your dream house. There's an agent's picture and phone number on the postcard for you to call too. Get more information. Yay! What you need to know is if you've been working with an agent already, make sure you contact them. The person's information on the postcard is the listing agent's, but the agent can still show you the house if it's on the market. Trust me, you're not bothering us. As always, we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.